Hello everyone, my name is Mark Stallings, one of the founders here at GPS4Leaders. As you know, the way teams are formed is changing. As more and more teams become virtual and the workplace spreads across the globe, collaboration is becoming easy using tools such as Zoom or Microsoft Teams. However, team building is becoming harder and harder. The goal of our tool is to help the modern team become more effective. Previously, teams would hire a consultant or engage in a team building exercise that typically lasts for a week or a month, and then it's back to business as usual. And there isn't really a good tool that the team can take with them to help foster this growth over a longer period of time. Also, it's becoming harder and harder to get all of the team members in the same place, whether it's something like the coronavirus or simple geographic location. In the modern world, teams are together remotely more than ever, and this trend is expected to grow in the future. GPS4Leaders gives the modern remote team the ability to engage in ongoing team building, as well as gain a little insight into the team members and their personal preferences. So let me share my screen and dive into the app. The app starts at the individual level with a personality assessment taken by each team member. I can view my results from the About Me tile, and I can also gain some insights on my individual behaviors, my team behavior, and my leadership style. I can also connect with other people to see their style and request feedback from them, and even see how they view me. It looks like I see myself as an ambassador. However, other members of my team see me as a binder or even an advocate. Not only is this app about where you are now, but like a GPS, it's about where you would like to go and how you'd like to get there. Let's say I just finished a meeting with Bill. Maybe I'd like to give Bill some feedback. So if I go to the Search Connections section, I can find Bill. I can see that Bill is also an ambassador. Let's see what Bill is working on. I think he did a pretty good job at providing conceptual overview. Feedback for the individual is very simple. It's done anonymously. It's a simple 1 to 5 star rating, and you can even write a comment. So let's now take a look at and see what the team is doing. As a team member, I can quickly see where all the other members scored in their personal assessments. This looks like a pretty balanced team. When it's time to take a team assessment, the Give Your Input tile will glow, and you can select Take Team Assessment. Questions are answered from 1 to 5 on how well the team does in certain areas important to team performance. Once everyone on the team has given their input, the results will be available in the dashboard. The dashboard sorts the answers to the team assessment by category, strengths, weaknesses, and also shows disagreement. Disagreement attempts to address the problem with averages and highlights questions where the average score could be misleading. We offer multiple team assessments, or if you have your own, we can set up your assessment in our system. This team has taken multiple assessments and can track their progress over time. It looks like there's some disagreement in the compete section. Let's expand that and investigate. We value speed and timeliness. It looks like all the team members' answers were all over the board here. This would be something to consider talking about in our next meeting. After the team has taken the assessment, it's time for ongoing feedback to improve those areas in which the team feels they need to grow. Team feedback is a simple, anonymous 1 to 5 star rating given by the team members on how the team is doing. The team can view their feedback through the dashboard. Like the team assessment, feedback can be tracked over time. Feedback can also be gathered by stakeholders outside of the team using a simple Net Promoter style question. For example, this team has asked their customers, how well is this team meeting your needs? Through our APIs and bot, most of this functionality and information is available within a team collaboration platform. We are currently working on bringing 2 more modules to this platform to address how to lead your team effectively and how to improve your company's culture. I hope this was helpful in learning a little bit more about GPS4Leaders. Please check out GPS4Leaders.com for more information.